Hi guys, my name is Samantha Williams. I'm 12 years old and I'm in the sixth grade.
Today we have
Morion,
Morion. How old are you, Morion?
13,
What grade are you in?
7.
Hi, my name is Isaac. I'm 13 years old in seventh grade.
Talea Matthews, grade 6, age 11.
Could you please state your name,
Jordan Herrera,
age,
14,
and what grade?
8th.
And I'm here with my tutor and he's going to ask me some questions.
Okay, Grand Rising now. All right, so first question. How is character math different from the way you learned before?
Okay, so if I could be honest with all of you, like character
Characteristics.
and math, how it's different from all my math is it's like it's like more easier for me. Like in my classrooms, like that's the reason why I'm like not doing like really good in my classes because like they be like just talking and then they give me the assignment. But my tutor, he be showing us instead of just talking, and he like show us examples.
Um, Character math is like they teach you a specific way on how to do it, and then they don't like give you the answer. They help you find the numbers to solve the answer.
I felt like it was hard. I didn't want to try. Like the numbers, some of the numbers go higher, go high.
Mm-hmm.
Character math is different from the way I learned the math before because when using character math and using the patterns, it's a lot shorter than like counting on your fingers. Say if you were to count by nines, you would go 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. But using character math, you can just use the patterns and find it a lot easier.
So higher, stay, lesser, move, for example. It's like it teaches you how to like if there's a higher number, you have to basically like stay in that exact number, like in the tens or the 20s, 30s, whatever. And when it's lesser, you have to like what if it's in the tens, like 14, and it's going up to 21, you have to like basically put like a tally mark or something on it for it to like
Recognize your division
to
changes?
recognize my division changes, for
Okay.
example.
Okay. In the process of the program, what was the most challenging, or what do you feel was the hardest part of learning the program or the process of it?
The most challenging part was learning how to use the patterns on um, multi-step division because when doing it, you still use some of the fundamentals that you're taught in school, but the patterns do make it a lot easier once you figure it out and you know what you're doing.
I would say multiplication was way harder for me than division.
Mm-hmm.
Both of them are easy, way easier now since I learned this.
Okay.
Not much, honestly. But it helps me learn. It's a new pathway more than a struggle.
Probably when it came to division, but no multiplication. But now I'm starting to get the hang of it.
Nice. What was the most surprising thing you learned about numbers?
The like there's multiple ways to do it, but also like in character math, there's like a specific way you could do it that's not hard or it's like it's easy to solve.
That there's patterns to it and that you can like do other things in numbers. Like I thought there was only one way, but there's many ways.
When you see new math problems, what is the first thing you look for now?
First thing I look for now is the order of operations, and when I do the order of operations and I get to multiplication, I use my patterns so that it makes it easier and it takes me less time to do my work. So I'm always the first done and I always have good grades.
Can you give me an example of using the patterns to solve division?
Mm, so you multiply a number to get as close as the number you need to divide.
Using the patterns, right?
Yes.
Okay. How has character math helped you with multi-digit problems?
I feel like it helps me simple it more out and helps me chop it down more than other things.
How does character math help you understand multiplication differently?
Because if I don't understand something, I can look at this card right here,
Mm-hmm.
and it just like helps me out sometimes.
What do you think about the program in general?
In general, it's like it's really good.
My level of confidence before was like low, but now that I understand this math concept, it's like higher. It's higher now.
Okay. Did you enjoy learning the program?
Yes.
Do you think the program was easy to learn?
Yeah.
I more feel like I can figure it out no matter what, as long as you give me enough time.
It's building up my confidence to like learn more about math. Because even though math is not really like my favorite subject, it's like a little bit.
My thoughts on character math is it makes math a lot easier, and you can learn to understand it, because at first it can be a little difficult for people who don't really understand math originally, and it's a new way to learn how to do multiplication and division.
Before I started,
Mm-hmm.
before I started, I thought it was going to be like how we were taught regularly before I got into this group. It was different, and I was able to discover new ways to learn.
I would say before I had a lot of anxiety, like I was scared. Now, like I have confidence now, I can like understand the problem and like do it easily. It's been good. I've been using it. I've been using it in my classrooms now and then. It's been good.
I think it helps a lot of kids that don't really know how to do their times tables and division.
What do you do now when you make mistakes?
When I make mistakes, I learn to accept them. I go back, I figure out where I messed up, and I correct it to the best of my ability.
First, I look for the number I'm timesing or multiplying or I'm gonna use, and I write down the patterns, or I have a card to help me solve it. So when I have that, I look for what I gotta multiply and divide, get that out the way, and then I just add them or subtract them, and I'm done.
It basically shows me how I can multiply and like focus on the patterns at the same time.
I try to retrace my steps on what I like did wrong.
Okay. So, like the numbers pretty much is like a self-correcting tool if you retrace your steps.
Every time when you do a pattern, you can count your steps and see like what the answer is to some of the problems.
Your understanding of the patterns compared to the multiplications chart, timetables chart. What is your comparison with them?
I say your patterns are better because it's more like a layout, and it's just very simple rules. And as long as you follow that, you get the answer.
Okay. How has character math helped you with multi-digit problems?
Character math has helped me with multiple digit problems uh, via the way you use the patterns and how you do it, and it makes it a lot easier because when you use the patterns, you don't necessarily have to keep all of it in your head. It's just there for you.
Do you feel smarter in math now after learning character math? Why or why not?
Yes, because it's the way that we were taught it, and then the way that we were taught it now. It makes more sense now in character math and the way we do it.
Okay. How has your attitude towards challenges changed?
Changed a lot. It's like I don't get as frustrated, or I don't like think to give up as quick.
Okay. With your new love of numbers or your new understanding of numbers, what's your favorite number and why?
I would say 9 because like like the whole cycle is just 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But,
Division changes.
yeah, pretty much, yeah.
My favorite number is 4 because the reason why 4 is my favorite number is because that's like in the year that I was born. It's more easier for me because like in like 12s it's like it's really hard for me.
Okay.
My favorite number?
And why?
My favorite number would have to be 4.
Okay. Why 4?
It divides evenly into 2, 2 divides evenly into 1, and it's a really nice pattern. It goes 4, 8, 2, 6, 0.
In the patterns,
Mm-hmm.
probably the 5.
8,
And why?
because it looks cool.
Last question. When it comes to other students that might be viewing this, what would be your words to other kids that would possibly take interest in this program?
My words to other kids would be, even if it's difficult at the start, you will get the hang of it. It is not to be the best at it, but to try your best and to do what you can. If you can't figure it out, take a break, come back, and try your best.
My guy. Thank you now.
I would say learn this concept from Mr. Dorsey here. He's a great teacher, and like overall the concept is just easy to learn, and like he teaches it very well.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. This is one of my students, top of my class.
A fun, safe learning environment for students to learn.
Thank you now.
Just take it slow. Get used to it. It takes time. If you're bad at math, try to program. If you're good at math, try to program. You never know.
Good job.
In this class that I'm taking, it's like you feel more relaxed and free in this class. Even though that it's not your official teacher, you should really pay attention for you to learn different things in life. If you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a nurse, if you want to become an engineer or anything, you have to know about numbers. Numbers in cash, numbers in graphing, and all that.
Would you want to see this program in other schools?
Yeah, I would love to because like if I could see this program in my next school that I'm going to next year, I would really suggest me to like I would really love to have that, really.
Thank you very much.
Mm.
Any last words?
Stay great. Bye.
How was your experience?
Good.
I'm trying to get you to be more talkative. You're more talkative in class. Okay, give me just give me your overall perspective of the program, your breakdown. Tell me what you feel about it in general.
I mean, I just think it's good for kids. I mean, at least to look into the program because it can help you out in some ways. Actually, most ways.
Okay.
What makes it different? It's more like I feel like your program just elevates something more than
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna give you a pattern. You think you can handle that one? Okay. What is the pattern to 6?
6, 2, 8, 4, 0.
Okay. What is the cycle number to 6?
3. No, 30.
Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else that you would like to add in general about learning the program at all?
That it's a wonderful program, and I hope other students get to enjoy this program.
Thank you very much, Talea. You have a good day.